We want to combine like terms before we start to solve an equation. So if you look at number 1 with 3y minus 8y equals 25, the only way you're going to be able to get this y alone is if we combine those y's. Since they're on the left side, we're just going to take the 3y and the negative 8y, and we're going to combine the coefficients. 3 minus 8 is negative 5y. It's negative 5 because if you have different signs, you subtract and keep the sign of the number with the largest absolute value. And since negative 8's absolute value is 8, that's bigger than 3, so our answer will be negative. And we'll write down equals 25. And then to get the y away from the negative 5, this means negative 5 multiplied by y. So the opposite operation will be to divide by negative 5. Whatever we do to one side, we have to do to the other. So y will equal 25 divided by negative 5. The rule is if you're dividing and one of them's negative, they have unlike signs, you'll have a negative answer. So we get negative 5. On this one here, we have a fourth w and negative 1/2 w on the right side, and we need to combine those. And I'm going to come over to the side and use the butterfly method to divide those since those denominators are different. We multiply 1 times 2 and we get 2. Multiply the 4 times 1 and get 4. It's a subtraction problem here. And then we come right here and multiply 4 times 2 and get 8. So we have 2 minus 4, which is negative 2 over 8. Now, we also want to think about the fact that 1/2 is bigger than 1/4. So, since the 1/2 is negative, we do have a negative answer here. Negative 2 over 8 reduces to negative 1/4. So, I'm going to come back over here and write negative 6 equals negative 1/4 w. Now, to get the w away from this negative 1/4, we are going to multiply both sides by negative 4. That will take care of the 4 denominator and the negative. So I'm going to multiply by negative 4 on both sides. The negative 4 and the 4 cancel, and so does the negative. So now we're left with just a w. And on this side, a negative 4 times a negative 6 is a positive 24.